Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to mirror sketch. I will create new drawings in part design, create body, create sketch. I will choose top plane. So as example, I will draw with this polyline tools. We create a simple sketch with this polyline. And if you want to mirror this sketch to drag here, first we need to create for lines mirror. You can click at this construction line and I will create at this point for the mirror line. The next, you can select the sketch. After it, select the mirror line, and then you can click these icons to mirror sketch like this. I will create again the mirror lines in the bottom, and then you can select the sketch, and then select the mirror line. Click at these icons to mirror the selected sketch. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorial, how to mirror sketch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.